Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read a or kai in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means to meet. It has 6 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like kai. On its own, it is usually a. People gathering together under one roof to meet. Now let's write it. 6 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. O means to meet. Kaisha, kaisha means company. And kaigi, kaigi means meeting. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Ima, read ima now. A, read ao to fit. Notice the small differences. So that's kai, to meet. 6 strokes. Read a or kai. Try writing it 5 times today.